I joined Paragon Toolmaking back in 1986, and over the years, having started as a draftsman with Paragon Toolmaking, I've now worked my way up to be the general manager. Currently, 60% of our employees serve their apprenticeship with Paragon Toolmaking. Our longest serving employee has done over 41 years with the business since he first started as a toolmaker. Our overall service in the business from our 18 employees is over 230 years.
So I started in 2016 and did a 4-year apprenticeship with the company. Obviously started with the basics, through the bridge ports, basic turning, basic milling, worked my way up throughout the company. So I obviously started to do a bit of grind, a bit of tool making, but a lot of things I went through personally was into the CNC machining. Did that for 2.5 to 3 years, worked closely with the company and my managers and the people that I work with currently, which have been absolutely spot on, obviously needed throughout the apprenticeship. Worked with Heta, got the qualifications through them, worked with them, and it was the 4 years, for me, was very successful. It was a good 4 years, you got me the knowledge, got me the skills. Now I've been here 6.5 years, going 7, I would say, because of the company, the people I work with, I've come out on top of the apprenticeship.
So what was good was the fact that leaving school at 16, I went straight into further education as in my apprenticeship, but I was also getting paid at the time, which everybody likes to be paid, don't they, at the end of the day. But you're learning a skill that you can keep for life, and it's something that you will always carry through life.
I help train apprentices like other experienced toolmakers, which you need to, so the business survives. I mean, without the youth in the business won't survive, because those experienced ones are not going to be around forever.
You start off in the general engineering section, learning the basic skills, you know, marking out, drilling, basic machining, and then you move on to the more complex parts of the company. So then you start learning the CNC machining side of things, and then a bit of fitting, and then I finished my apprenticeship off in the design office, which is where I'm currently working now.
There's always the support there. Anyone on the shop floor is willing to help, give you advice or experiences what they've had in the past. I would recommend someone to come for an apprenticeship because it gives you a lot of skills and it's quite a rewarding job. You go from making the first 2 parts to finishing the tool completely, sending it out on a truck. So you see the whole process.
The apprentices get time to spend with our experienced engineers in all sides of the business. They'll start again, like I did, in the general area, and they will work through the company, working with mentors picked throughout each section, and get time to learn the trade and see what best fits for them, best fits for us, and hopefully they'll crack on and make a career of it.
Paragon's a good company to work for. We're not just employees at this company, it almost feels like a family. We all help each other, we all strive to do better, and everybody wants to see everybody improve.
Apprenticeships are essential for a business such as Paragon Toolmaking. We rely on that skill and expertise and knowledge of a skilled craftsman, and it's essential that we train and continue to train for the future. Paragon Toolmaking will need, as will most businesses, toolmakers in the future.